philosophical aspect of linguistics. Begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music.
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay, here's my first question. And this is a question I also got off the internet, so I thought it was a good one. How many women have you got pregnant?
Things like art and music.
I fought it. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You are...
Knuckle or something, and then
Right.
they grind it up. Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore. They don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that. Do you drink?
And I'm a fan, what can I tell you?
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand.
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some... Don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
This beige thing. Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil.
Theta, or the deep delta state, where
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. A dramatic situation.